11 benefits of creating a construction schedule before work starts. Number 1. Generating knowledge of the detail and fewer surprises will into the project by the need to pre-plan the project. Number 2. Maximizing quality control measures by properly sequencing the work. Number 3. Improving planning of resources such as labor and equipment. Number 4. Enhancing coordination efforts between client and construction operations. Number 5. Buying out material and critically element with enough lead time. Number 6. Submitting shop drawings, samples and datasheet in timely fashion. Number 7. Giving the affected parties such as the subs, vendors, designers and client time to better plan their own activities. Number 8. Improving safety performance by sequencing the activities to ensure maximum protection for workers. Number 9. Decreasing risk of damage to adjacent property and install work leading to a reduced punch list. Number 10. Pricing winter protection measures accurately by knowing which weather sensitive activities will be put in place during cold weather and duration of these activities. Number 11. Achieving the highest level of productivity in order to complete the project in the shortest time frame reasonably possible. Thank you.